Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, the 16th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather delightful today and tomorrow. Storms come back late Thursday and Thursday night. We'll assess the severe potential as we go along and talk about the Easter weekend. There's the upper look this morning across the country. Got a new trough in the western states that will be progressive. That brings our next chance of stormy weather by Thursday night. A refreshingly cool morning, mostly 40s. Birmingham at 49. The cool spot is Fort Payne. They've got 40. We're expecting a high in the upper 70s today. Watch warning map, very quiet around the nation this morning. And the good news, no severe weather expected today, maybe some thunder for the western states. But tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, got a risk of severe storms from Texas to the Midwest, an enhanced risk around Dallas-Fort Worth, Waco, down toward Austin. But again, for us, tomorrow we're dry. Then on day 3, which is the outlook for Thursday and Thursday night, severe storms across the Mid-South in Alabama, basically all 67 counties, and the standard slight risk. And it sure looks like the bulk of the stormy weather will be Thursday night, as you'll see. And we'll assess the threat levels and what to expect here in just a moment. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. The east is fairly wet in Alabama for most places. Rain amounts 1 to 2 inches, maybe slightly higher totals for the northwestern part of the state. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. The 06C run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Ridging here, and there's that new trough in the western states. And for us, just gorgeous. Sunny with upper 70s today. Tomorrow, a surface low is near Des Moines. And again, east of the dry line in Texas, back up into parts of Oklahoma, Missouri, we'll have the chance of severe storms. But again, here, warm, dry, low 80s. Now, Thursday, the lead low is moving up into Canada. A secondary low forms north of Little Rock. And you can see how with each run, the global models are getting a little slower. But at this point, it looks like a decent chunk of the day could be dry with a high not too far from 80. Let's take a look at the timing here. This is the European. This is 7 p.m. Thursday. So you can see how clearly we're going to need to adjust the timing again. And we don't make major changes, but in this update, we're going to suggest a better chance of severe storms 4 p.m. Thursday until 4 a.m. Friday. And really, the bulk of the action is going to be Thursday night. Let's go to just after midnight Thursday night. The storms are coming on through Alabama. And again, you can see those fingers, which often suggest the possibility of supercell-type storms. Interesting to note the European has a surface low developing near Birmingham. And that could mean the higher tornado potential is down across the southern part of the state. And then by 7 a.m. Friday, everything is kicked over into Georgia and moving out of the state. Let's check the instability coming off the NAM, the 12-kilometer NAM. And this is at 10 o'clock Thursday night. And really, there's just not much. And that's going to be the big limiting factor, it looks like, here, if this were to verify. Now, I think it might be underdoing it. But instability values under 500 joules per kilogram. Then just after midnight, the instability axis really stays down there near the Gulf Coast. So at this point, it seems to be the limiting factor is going to be the instability. We could see storms Thursday night with hail and gusty winds, maybe a tornado, but it could be the higher risk will be over the southern half of the state. But as always, you got to watch these things. We'll keep an eye on it. And let's go to Friday. Wow. Big old deep upper low, a bowling ball feature almost coming through here. And the storms are on to the east on Friday, but Friday will be cloudy, very cool. I think we stay in the 50s all day, and we'll see periods of rain. And there might even be some small hail in the showers because of the cold air aloft. But the good news, it all lifts out for the weekend. This is Saturday, should be a sunny day, the high in the upper 60s. And Easter Sunday, beautiful. Nothing but sun, highs in the upper 70s. And Monday, sunny and warm with low 80s. Here's a week from today, Tuesday of next week, ridging here, new trough in the west, and for us, we're warm and dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week. Little trough axis getting closer. That shows a band of showers and storms west of the state. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS Ensemble. And again, it's got 67 on Friday. I think we'll stay in the 50s all day. But the warm air comes right back. In fact, most of next week, we're going to be in the 80s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.